Hi guys, welcome to Health and Cooking. So like I told you yesterday, we're going to continue to make some food art. And yesterday we made our island with our palm trees, but today we're going to make a flower with some vegetables. We're going to start with some celery, and celery is usually very long, so I cut this so it's a little bit shorter so it can fit on my plate. So I'm just going to lay it on my plate. And celery, why celery? Now celery is full of minerals and vitamins, but it's also full of water. So water, with anything that's full of water, our body is mostly water, so we need a lot of water every day. This helps keep us hydrated. But it also fights inflammation. When inside your body, if something becomes inflamed, it hurts, and so you don't want to have inflammation in your body. So celery helps get rid of the inflammation in your body, and it fights infections. So if you have a cut and it gets infected, you could eat some celery. That might help your infection. Now, of course, not everything. I'm not saying that would make your infection go away. Sometimes the infections are so bad we have to get medicine, right? Antibiotics or those type of things. But food can help your body heal itself. And if it's not able to do that, then we have to get other resources, right? So it also gives us nice skin because it's full of water, and our skin needs lots of hydration, so we need to drink a lot of water, and because this is full of water, then that's good. Okay, what else we're going to do is I have a bell pepper. This is a little bell pepper, and I'm going to cut it just a little bit here, and I'm going to make it into some leaves. They're going to be kind of like the leaves that are on the stem of a flower. There's some leaves, so I'm just going to put these so they kind of look a little bit like that on the side, and you can do as many as you want, little leaves on the side of your stem of your flower. And bell peppers also are high in vitamin C, and so they help fight infection too. Now you could use a little bowl, a little plastic bowl or glass bowl or whatever you use for your little bowls. I'm just using a little muffin little, I don't know, what do they call it, little muffin paper, and I'm going to set it right there at the end of my stem, and I'm going to put some hummus in it. And some of you I know love hummus, and some of you aren't sure that's your favorite thing. I know that some people make their own hummus, and it's really, really good. So if you have a recipe and you want to try making your own hummus, then go for it. That would be awesome. But hummus is made from garbanzo beans, or chickpeas they call it. So you can get those. You can get them in cans, you can get them dried, and then you cook them yourselves. But once they're cooked, you can mix them together with tahini and oil and those type of things, and it makes this really nice hummus. Now Costco sells organic hummus too, so I just bought that. But why garbanzo beans are healthy? They help your heart also. We've been talking about things that build our immunity and help our heart. Garbanzo beans help your heart. They also give you energy, and they're full of minerals, which our body needs to be healthy. So we use hummus as a dip, right? Well, around this dip, let's build the flower petals. Let's go all around, and we're going to take just these little carrots, and I bought the baby carrots. If you have only big carrots, you can slice them any way you want to look kind of like the petals of a flower. And carrots are good for us. They're full of antioxidants, which fight off the things that want things that want us to age. They slow that down. They kind of fight off that, and they help fight cancer. They're full of something called beta carotene, which fights off cancer. So eating all your fruits and vegetables makes your body stronger in fighting that off. This is an important thing. I've been reading health books lately. I've decided I'm really into gardening. Oh, in fact, look. We grew this cucumber. Isn't that awesome? So we grew this cucumber. I'm really into growing food right now, and I'm really into reading about health. And I just read about how if we eat our raw fruits or vegetables first, like eat your salad first or your fruit first before you eat any food that's been cooked, that your body accepts the cooked food better. But if we eat the cooked food first, then our body actually sends in our white blood cells, and the white blood cells think in the beginning that, oh, the cooked food is something we have to fight off, but because our body is constantly looking for the raw fruits and vegetables that give our body energy and minerals and vitamins and all these things. And so if you eat that first, actually it makes your body stronger, and your body can fight off cancer and diseases much faster. So here's our flour. So you could go ahead and eat this first, right? Before you eat anything cooked, your pizza, your macaroni and cheese, whatever. You can eat your raw fruits and vegetables first. And since it looks beautiful and it's fun and you can share it with someone, it's super good for you. So have fun making your food art. Have fun eating your food art. And remember, try to eat as many fruits and vegetables that you can, and try and eat them first before you eat all your other kinds of food. All right, have a great day.